Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another interesting lecture of PHP, and in today's class I am going to demonstrate what are operators in PHP, and this is lecture number 6. The first thing I must tell you, what is an operand? So an operand is basically a symbol on which you perform an operation. Okay, an operand is particularly a character or a symbol or a number on which you are performing an operation. For example, if I talk in English, we have subject and object. Okay, so the subject is one who is performing something on the object. So basically an operand is an object. And what is an operator? An operator is any symbol on or anything that operate on that particular operand. Basically it is a subject. If we talk about English, okay, so an operator is a symbol and an operand is the thing on which the operator is performing the particular operation. I hope it is clear to everyone. And when you mix the operator and operand together, you create an expression. Let me give you an example. Let's say a plus b. Here plus is an operator and a and b are both operand. Okay, so in today's lecture we will see this, the definition of all that, and the types of operator and the classification of this operator. So let's see what have a look what we have today. So first let's discuss about the definition of operator. An operator is a symbol that perform operation on any operand, and operand is something on which the operator perform an operation. Okay. Expression is basically the combination of operator and operand together, so it makes expression. I hope it is clear to everyone that what is operator, operand and expression. Let us discuss about the types of operator. There are three types of operator: unary, binary and ternary operator. Here uni means one. Those operators that deal with only one operand at a time. Here is the example that plus and minus are unary operator. Like you do encoding that I plus plus or I minus increment the value of 1 or decrement the value of 1 is basically are the unary operator. The second one is binary operator. Binary operator bi means 2, and those operators they deal with only one operand at a time. Only two operand at a time is called binary operator. Here the plus and minus, multiply or divide or modulus are the example of binary operator. I know you all know about the plus, minus, multiply. Here two things, divide and modulus. This is the one which is the quotient, and this is the one which is the remainder of division, because division has two answers, the quotient and the remainder. Okay, so a plus b and minus b, a multiply by b, a divide by b, or a modulus b are the example of binary, because here two operand are basically adding, so that is called a binary operator. The third one is ternary operator. Ternary operator are those operators that deal with three operand at a time. Question mark, example is the question mark, and here you display the condition or execute the condition. So it's work like the if else, if the code, if true then execute code, if false then execute the code. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us discuss about the classification. The classification about the operator is, first one is arithmetic expression or arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operator deal with the mathematical calculation. All the binary operator are basically arithmetic operator. Okay, plus, minus, divide, modulus, all the operators are actually arithmetic operators. The second one is relational operators. So humans do the decision based on the knowledge and the brain that God has given to him, but here the computer is dumb machine, and how can computer can justify or identify which one is greater, which one is smaller, and which one is equal to. So you can do the decision based on the relational operator. Let me show you the relational operator. So greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, and equal to are actually the relational operators. So for decision making you have to use this relational operator. Here the double equal to means that you are checking two values, whether the values are equal or not, and triple equal to tell you that you are checking the types of data. The data type, basically, let's say you have 5 in integer and 5 in double quotation, so both are different. So it will check the types of data, that whether it is integer, float, string, and all that. Not equal to and equal to, you all know about it. The third one is the logical operators. So these are the operators that help you to give multiple relational conditions. Let's say if you wanted to check more than one condition in your program, then you use logical operator. I hope it is clear to everyone. If you wish to write multiple condition, for example, A is greater than 10, or A or B is less than 20. So here basically you write a multiple condition that whether A is greater than 10 or B is less than 10, you will execute the code. Or here you can also use AND, so it will so if both conditions are true, the result will be true. I hope it is clear to everyone. The fourth one is assignment operator. With the help of equal to, you assign value to a variable, like $A is equal to 10. So here you are assigning the value 10 to variable A. This means that I write the code here. Let's see that $A is equal to $A plus 1, or here you can write B as well. So 10 plus 1 will be equal to 11. So here you are assigning the value of 10 and plus 1 to variable A or variable B. You can also use $A plus equal to 1. Both are same, the result will be same. So assignment operator assign the value to variable. Increment and decrement means you basically increments the value, like it's work like the unary operator, like that I plus plus. So if I write I plus plus, it will increment one value to I, or if I write I minus minus, it will decrement one value to variable I. The sixth one is a bitwise operator. Are those operators that perform the calculation based on bits, not on decimal. Okay, so I will demonstrate all the thing with example, but now I am just mentioning these things that this thing do happen. So and or zor, all are basically the bitwise operator. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. The last one is the string operator. The concatenation operator here in PHP is dot. Okay, and is also dot equal to when you deal with its assignment. Let's say if you have wanted to join two strings together directly, so this is also the same. So that's all for today. In the next lecture I will tell you or demonstrate you with the example that how can you write the code, how can you use this operator, and how this operator do functionality. It can give the result and impact on the program. So Lafis, that's all for today.